Alright, so we're here at a step well in Emmer. Not sure of the actual name of it, but it's a step well just beneath the Emmer Fort in Emmer. So, it's outside of the Bajari Temple. You gonna go down, Kath? Wanna take a walk down? Okay. So we'll take a wider, safer. Okay.
I'll follow you.
All right, hang on. I'm just going to put my backpack on. Thank you.
All right, here we go.
Let's take a walk down. Not allowed? Oh. Oh, okay. No sign to say you can't go down there. I don't know. Some dude says you can't go down. Once again.
Official, not official, who knows?
Yeah. Probably a tour guide. But he's got a radio in his hand, so you know. Some dude with a radio. Give a guy a radio and give him power. Right, Mr. Cow? Right.
Is he still here?
Yeah, he lives in the little cupola over there. He's like the whistle blower from the other place, right? There's a turtle on the first step there.
Oh, yeah.
See him? Turtles are allowed down there. Water balls allowed, but we're not allowed. Oh well.
Did a long walk up anyhow.
Did you get
Never mind.
Did you get fun?
Oh, well.
Oh well.
The heat's frying my brain.
Oh well.
A little bit slow on the
Yeah.
uptake today.
Can't say that it'd be a good swimming pool, but that's what they should do with it. Right? Get some filtration happening, a little bit of chlorine.
Yeah. Have a little dip.
Yeah. Very cool though, but of course we've been turned away once again. There's the fort. That looks cool, yeah. And the other spire up over here, or that's the fort up there, and then the palace is here, I believe. Yeah. And then that guy was telling us there's a tunnel that's 1 kilometer that connects the two, or 2 kilometers. I don't know. Didn't quite. It's a little lost in translation, but. And then there's the temple that we went into, straight ahead.
Yes.
Very cool. All right, back into the tuk-tuk for another ride. Mr. Radio gives you a little smug look.
We should have just run to the bottom.
Catch me. Okay. All right. Back to the tuk-tuk.